But it works. Oh. How?
It's gonna be funny.
No, it's not gonna be funny. Go over there. Go over there.
There's no tape no more. Wait, let me put the safety on this bit.
Dude, that is not the safety.
I was checking if the safety was on or not. Anyways, I'll do it right here.
No, this is my table saw.
I'm gonna cut that in half.
That's fine. I'm gonna throw this away anyways.
Alright, guys. I got permission. The big guy from the big man himself. Mr. George. Mr. George. Where'd you get the new guy? Alright, guys. We're sharing this sandwich. So I gotta cut it in half.
Wait. Not that one. Cut yours.
No, we're cutting this one.
Cut yours.
We're sharing this one. That one's mine. You have yours right there, Borwell.
That was a waste.
I'm still gonna eat that bit. Look, it worked, guys. Look. Jaman. Cheers.
Material? No.
I gotta make money.
And you're paying me $1,000 to make this for you.